Hello friends, and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. Okay, today we're making old-fashioned pancakes with strawberry topping. Here we go. Okay, in a medium-sized bowl, we're gonna put 1.5 cups or 180 grams of all-purpose flour. To that, we're gonna add 3.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt for contrast. Then we're gonna whisk that together until well combined. Now we're going to add our wet ingredients, so we need 1 1/4 cups of milk. Now we're going to take 3 tablespoons or about 42 grams of butter. We're going to melt that in the microwave and add that in. And 1 large egg. Now we're going to whisk that up until well combined. Then we're going to let it rest for 5 minutes. Now, after 5 minutes, sometimes I find that it needs a little bit more milk. So add that and whisk that in. Now I use a 1/4 cup measuring cup to place the batter onto my griddle. Now I have a nice non-stick griddle that holds about 6 pancakes. Now if you're using a regular frying pan, you need to spray it with some cooking spray. Then you want to preheat your griddle to medium high. So using your 1/4 cup scoop the pancakes onto the griddle or the frying pan and wait for bubbles to appear around the edges and in the middle. That will take about 2 to 3 minutes. Then you want to flip those over and cook them until the bottom is golden brown, about 1 to 2 minutes more. Now remove them to a plate and dig in. If you want to make the fruit topping, you can use strawberries, or I've used blueberries before as well. If you're going to do this, you probably want to do it before you start your pancakes. So you need about 2 cups of strawberries, all sliced up, or 2 cups of blueberries. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar and the berries to a frying pan and bring them to a boil. Then you need 1 tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with 1 tablespoon of water. Add those to your berries and stir until they thicken. And then scoop those onto the top of your pancakes. And there you go, old-fashioned pancakes. Enjoy. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.